Stop guessing. Start confirming. This video reveals a system designed to filter out bad trades and highlight high-probability setups. It uses two indicators that work in perfect sync. By the end, you will have a clear three-step checklist for your entries. First, the setup. Go to TradingView. Search for Adaptive Kalman. Add these two indicators, both created by Zerman, Adaptive Kalman Filter, Adaptive Kalman Trend Filter. Now, apply these settings for a clean chart. For the top indicator, turn the volatility bands off. Set the trend range to 100. For the bottom indicator, no changes are needed. The default settings are perfect. Your chart is now ready. Here are the rules for a high-probability long trade. Wait for the pullback alert. Watch for the price to pull back and touch the green ribbon. At the same time, the bottom strength meter must dip down, showing a blue or red signal. This confirms a temporary weakness. Step 3. The confirmation entry. Enter the trade only when the bottom strength meter crosses back above the zero line and turns green. This is your signal that the pullback is over and the primary trend is resuming. Place your stop loss below the recent low or the ribbon. Aim for a risk-to-reward ratio of 1:2 or higher. For a short trade, the rules are simply reversed. Red ribbon, a pullback up, and a confirmation cross below the zero line. Remember, no indicator is a crystal ball. This strategy is a tool to improve your decision-making, not financial advice. Always perform your own back testing before risking capital. If this strategy was helpful, tap the like button. Subscribe for more clear, effective trading systems. And now a question for you. What is your favorite indicator for confirming a trend? Leave your answer in the comments below.